Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel inkitdesigns. Let's create a hamburger animation. First, create a frame. Then, by using pen tool, we'll create a straight line. Then raise the value of stroke. I have almost raised it to 8 points. Now we will duplicate the stroke 2 times. Align them and adjust the vertical distribution. Now we will decrease the size of middle stroke. Now select the hamburger strokes and create component. I have forgotten to adjust the round corners. You can adjust the round corners of your strokes. Now rename your component and add variant. Rename the first hamburger as closed and the second hamburger as opened. Now this one is a tricky part. Pick the first stroke and rotate it to -45 degree and the last stroke rotate it to +45 degree and the middle one just decrease its opacity. Adjust the 2 strokes as shown in the video. There you go, we are nearly done. Now it's time to prototype it. Our animation is ready. Now let's try it out. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.